Hi, I'm Jennifer Brown. I'm the nurse practitioner at Mount Washington School-Based Healthcare Center on site in Mount Washington Elementary School. I am employed by Mercy Health Care, and I'm here to help you and your family. I'm here to serve you, the Mount Washington staff, students, and any family member. This means that the health center is truly for every member of your student's family. So if you have a child at Mount Washington School, you can stop by or give me a call to get checked out as well. Or do you have a baby at home with a diaper rash you're worried about? Give me a call and bring them in. And if you have that teenager that has a sore throat or just doesn't want to go to school, I'm here to talk to them as well. I am also able to help with well child care and immunizations. They are available on site. I am on site 2 days a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, typically your normal school day, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. You can reach me at 513-363-3819, or you can text me at 513-614-5799 to schedule an appointment. I'll see you soon, and in the meantime, take care and stay healthy.